Alright, so today I'm going to show you how we're going to use the different blogs that you've created to collaborate as a classroom. A little bit later on, I'm going to randomly select this time who your blogging buddy will be. In other words, everybody in the class will have somebody that's going to comment on their blog, but I'm going to pick different people than your friends, because I know we've done a lot of things where you work with the friend or the person sitting next to you. For this assignment, I want to change it up a little bit, so you'll be working with somebody that will be randomly selected. So you log into your Google Apps like you always do, and what you should always do is go check your Gmail, and you will notice you have a shared document from me, and I will open it, and it looks like this. Kristen, can you just add your URL to it? Do you know where it is? Okay, let me help you here.
Did I finish it? Well, no, I didn't make any entries.
Right there. Okay, so paste that in there. So everybody's got this document. So what I want you to do is put your name here and your blog ID. This will be randomly selected, so don't put anything here for now. So put your name. Don't do this now until I tell you, obviously. Okay, so we're going to do an example with Kristen's blog. So if you want to just paste that. And so you see what I want is the actual URL. How do I get that? Some of you are going to ask. So you go to your Blogger account. I've already opened mine. And why don't I go from step one just so you can see where you start from. So you start from your drive. You click more. You go to your Blogger. And you click View Blog. When you click View Blog, you're going to see the actual URL that you put in yesterday. So the URL is, obviously, you could type this in any web browser in the world and you would get to go to your blog. So you copy this, go to here, and you paste it. So let's pretend I had already picked and I was her blog buddy. So now what's going to happen is that I'm going to go to her blog. I click here. I'm going to go to her blog. I'm going to pick one of her 2 articles. I'm assuming that she's finished at least one. Everybody should be done at least one. If you haven't posted on the blog, you should do that. So go to your blog and post it. So I'm going to read her article, and normally I will take time to read it, but since I'm doing a demonstration here, I'm going to not read it. I'm going to just show you what you do. So I notice she's put 2 pictures, more than 2 pictures, and at least no hyperlinks yet, right? So that was one of the things I asked her to do. So I'm going to comment now. And here's a cool thing about Blogger. You can comment with your Google Plus account, which maybe a few of you have. You can comment with your Twitter account or your Facebook account. Twitter is not blocked. Or you could just comment with your Google account. So I'm going to click Add Comment. And I'll write, hey. It's Kristen, right? Or Kirsten.
Hey.
Sorry, because I have a person in another class. Hey, Kristen. Noticed you did not include the hyperlinks. Then I would say what I like or found interesting about her post. Okay. Now this is going live on the internet, so try to make sure the spelling's good. And I'm going to be obviously looking over this to see what you've done. And I would encourage you to write at least 3 or 4 more sentences. Okay, but for the purposes of the example right now, I'm not going to do that. And you notice here it's going to say comment as. In your case, it'll be your student number for your account. Okay. If you had an account with either WordPress or LiveJournal or any of these others, you could post with those. But I'm telling everybody just post with your Google account. So I'm going to click Publish. And this is one thing you need to know. Whenever you publish on a blog like this, it asks you to enter what's called a CAPTCHA code. And they're often annoying, but you have to type the correct. And upper and lower case do matter. And then you click Publish, and it's done. So now she will see, when she logs into her Blogger account, that she has one person has commented on your blog. You know, when you're running a real blog with, like, you know, writing articles about stuff, it's pretty exciting when people post on it. So that's how you comment on a friend's blog, and that's how you're going to collaborate in our class. So that's it.